Hi, this is Reggie from Restore Plus Physical Therapy, and today I want to show you a simple way to stretch your hamstrings. Now, if you're going to a game or you're playing or even if you're just working out, sometimes you want to stretch your hamstrings and you don't have a place to lie down or you don't have a place to sit. You can actually do it in standing. Now, I just had the patient the other day. I had him demonstrate this to me, and when he was doing it, it was just wrong. So I want to share this with everyone. So how to stretch your hamstrings properly. All right. So if you, let's say you want to do it in standing, you can pick any surface you can put your leg up to or your foot up to. So let's say, for example, in my case, I'll put it up here, and then when I bring it up like this, what I would want to do is I want to make sure that I'm standing straight. Okay, your foot will be up, not turned in or out, so and your body is straight. A lot of times to stretch the hamstrings, people tell you try touch your toes, which is they will do this. Like for me, I have very tight hamstrings, but I can easily touch my toes. Why? Because my back is loose. So I'm actually stretching my back this way. I hardly feel any stretch on my hamstrings. So what I want you to do is make sure your hip is straight like this, it's 90 degrees, and then bring your chest out and then bend from your hip. Meaning you have to actually bend this way. You see how tight my hamstrings is? It's because I can't even move, that much. So when I do this, I feel like a lot of stretch already in my hamstrings. Compared to this, I actually cannot, I'm nowhere near my toes. All right, so make sure stick your chest out, and then you have 90 degrees here, or if it's less, it's okay. But you would want to do is you want to make sure you're bending from your hip and not from your back. All right, and keep your chest out. So I hope that helps, and if you find that helpful, please share this with your friends, family, and everyone you know, and you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye.